Here are some wonderful freshly picked lemons that have already filled the air with their fresh and sparkling essence. Obviously, I can't miss the opportunity to prepare one of the most famous Italian digestive, limoncello. Let's bottle it together. Let's see what we need. Sugar, water, alcohol, and of course lemons, and let's start by washing them. I'll rinse it under warm running water first. Then I'll rub it with a brand new sponge to get rid of any impurities. And then I dry it and do the same with all the others. All the lemons are clean, I just have to peel them with a vegetable peeler, so I will only scrape the yellow part. You want to use organic and untreated lemons. Okay, I'm the first to respect tradition, but if you want to make your limoncello extra special, add the zest of another citrus fruit. So, all my peels are ready. I'll put them in this airtight glass jar with a latch. I'll cover them with alcohol. Our jar must rest in the dark and away from heat for 30 days. But at GialloZafferano, where magic is normal, everything is ready and 30 days have gone past. Now I have to prepare the syrup, so water and sugar in the pan. Water first and then sugar. Shake the pot. Let it come to a simmer. The syrup is finally simmering, so I'll turn the heat off and let it cool down completely. Our syrup has cooled down, so now I can pour it into the jar with the steeped peels. Our limoncello is ready to rest, so close it and give it a nice shake. Now it goes for a nap for 40 days away from heat and light. The scent of freshly picked lemons is only a memory, but luckily we can drink a shot of limoncello. I had to filter it. But first, a strong shake. And I'll filter it. Obviously, in order to store it better, I'll keep it in a bottle. And now what? I cannot have a shot, can I? Cheers. Very nice. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and then let me know.